So instead of man just send the equation, and I believe it will benefit you out there. So the equation goes like this: CxHy plus 4O2 to give us 3 CO2 and 2 H2, that's water. So they say, what is the name of the compound CxHy? So first of all, when you see an organic compound like this, you want to confirm that it is balanced, and once the oxygen is balanced, the other guys are most likely to be balanced. So let's see if the oxygen is balanced. Here, how many oxygen we have? 4 times 2 is 8, so we have 8 oxygen, while here that is for the reactant. So for the product, how many oxygen do we have? 3 times 2 is what? 6. So the oxygen in CO2 is total of 6, while for H2 the total of what? 2. So this 2 here times the invisible one, which is 2. So 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So we have 8 oxygen on the reactant side, which is your left, and 8 oxygen on the product side, which is your right. So next, we want to balance the carbon and hydrogen. So how do we balance the carbon and hydrogen? From here we know what there are 3 carbon, so automatically your X here becomes 3. So X will be equal to 3, because this is only where you can find carbon on your product side. Then your Y here is what? Your hydrogen on your right hand side, your product side is what? 4. So hydrogen is equal to 4. So therefore automatically your hydrogen in this compound is what? 4. So Y is equal to 4. So therefore our compound is what? C3H4. But this is not where it ends. We want to name this compound. So first of all, now this compound has 3 carbons and 4 hydrogen. So what will determine where we place our 4 hydrogen is what? Is where is after we have placed the bonds for carbon well. So let's help me place this bonds for carbon appropriately to leave only 4 bonds left for hydrogen. So remember that each carbon has 4 bonds. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this first carbon, and this second carbon is what? 1, 2. So where is the other 4 going? So let's say we are giving this 4 to hydrogen, this 3 to hydrogen first of all. So we have only 1 slot left for the what? For the last hydrogen. So where are we placing the hydrogen? So for us to determine that, we now, okay, it must be a terminal compound. So we are giving it to this. So how many bonds are left for this one? 2. So those 2 bonds, we can now give it to this. I see. So therefore we have, for this first carbon, we have a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds already. This second carbon, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bonds. And this last carbon, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bonds. So all the bonds are filled, and now we have our compound C3H4. So what is the name? First of all, it is what? 3 carbon atoms. So it is what? Probe. Then what else there? We see triple bond here, and we see when once it is triple bond, it is an alkyne. So this is it here. So we bring this YNE and put it here, and we have what? Propyne. So the name of this compound is propyne. Thank you very much.